Indian Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat and his wife along with 11 voyagers lost their lives when the helicopter they were travelling in crashed due to bad weather or technical fault in Tamil Nadu. Indian Air Force took to the Twitter to confirm the deaths. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh stated, "My heart goes out to the families of those who lost their loved ones in this accident. Praying for the speedy recovery of Group Captain Varun Singh, who is currently under treatment at the military hospital Wellington." Earlier, Indian Air Force has taken to the Twitter to inform that an IAF helicopter with CDS General Bipin Rawat on board met an accident. Though the official list available to News Pakistan TV shows 9 passengers, there were 14 people on board. The CDS was going to the Defense Services Staff College to address the faculty and student officers. Seriously injured voyagers were taken for treatment at Wellington Cantonment Hospital. Nevertheless, 13 deaths had been confirmed. Indian Air Force, informing about the 14th person on board, tweeted, "Group Captain Varun Singh is currently under treatment at Military Hospital Wellington." It may be recalled that a close friend of Prime Minister Modi, the 63-year-old 4-star General Bipin Rawat, happened to be the first Chief of Defence Staff, a post created in 2019. Director General ISPR tweeted, "General Nadeem Raza, CJCSC, and General Qamar Javed Bajwa, Chief of Army Staff, express condolences on tragic death of CDS General Bipin Rawat, his wife, and loss of precious lives in a helicopter crash in India."